We're going to show you today how to buy a Suica card and how to put it on your phone. If you're visiting Japan and you're going to be riding a lot of the trains or buses, or even like going to the convenience store, purchasing drinks at a vending machine, these come in super handy because you don't have to have cash on hand. You can top these up, or they say reload or recharge. We highly recommend getting one of these. It's super easy to get, so we're going to show you today where you can purchase it at the station. Now for the Suica card in particular, you get this one at JR stations. And throughout Japan there are different train lines, and Japan Rail is the main one, so you'll most likely get the Suica card if you're in Japan. So I purchased mine 5 years ago, and I have already put mine on my Apple Pay. And so when Crystal gets hers, we're gonna put it on her phone as well, and we'll also show you how to add more money to it.
All right, so we found this, it's usually at like the ticket stations where you get your regular tickets, and then there's one booth that says Suica, and that you can buy a Suica charge here, or Suica, a new Suica card. We are here, and they have it in English too, so you can just press English.
Will be displayed in English.
Thank you. So I'm going to purchase a new Suica. Name inscribed Suica? Sure. Right here.
Yeah, try that.
Oh, got it. Okay, I was hitting the wrong
That
button.
was weird though.
Okay, I'm a female. Enter your telephone number. So I'll put in 3,000 for now. And then you just put it in here at the bottom. Then you put it like one at a time, right? Let's see. 1, 2. All right. And then please touch receipt for the receipt. Oh, that was fast. And it does indeed have my name on it. That says Crystal Baron Sama. And I got the receipt. Got a Suica card, yay! So this is where you can use the Suica card as like at vending machines like this, and they usually have like signs like around here too that say what you can use. Here you can use it too for lockers. You just put your card up against it. Super easy to use. I need to go to wallet, and I add. What, a transit card? Oh, they already have it. Japan, Suica. So the Passmo is the other one, and that's at the KSS station that you can get that one. It's the same concept. Okay. What do you mean select amount?
So you have to go to transfer existing card,
Okay.
and there's a number on the back of the card.
Yada, yada, yada.
Okay, so this is kind of weird. Put your phone like that on the card.
Oh, okay. Put it like this. Oh, it's transferring.
Isn't that crazy?
Oh. Keep your iPhone resting on the card, it says. It's going by pretty fast. It was starting off slow, but now it's going pretty fast. All right, card added. So I'm gonna go next. Your transit card will book automatically when you hold your iPhone near a reader. No iFace ID required. And there it is. And it's being activated. Your card is being activated. All right, I got 3,000 yen in there. So now, if I want to add more money, you can just put add more money, and let's say I want to add 2,000 more yen. Add. And done. And think my balance should update. Yep. 5,000 yen. Now I have 5,000 yen on my Suica card. So yeah, that was super easy to do the whole Suica card buying and transferring. This is so much more convenient to have it on the phone than to have a physical card because I always lose stuff, so it's nice to have everything in one location. Okay, so that only took like less than 3 minutes to put my card on my iPhone. I mean, standing at the ticket booth, it took a bit because there was somebody else in front of us getting it, but I mean, as soon as she was done, that process only took like, what, a minute?
Yeah, it was pretty fast. Just make sure when you find the booth that it's the one to buy a new card, because there's several booths where you can recharge the card, but if you're going to put it on your phone anyways, you're never going to have to get in those lines to recharge the card.
Yeah.
That's if you want to pay in cash.
Yeah.
That's the only reason why you would want to go to the actual booth to recharge.
We hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Bye.